Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best flare leggings for women, high-waisted, tummy control, and designed for both performance and style. If you're searching for leggings that combine comfort, function, and a flattering fit, then these IUGA flare leggings are exactly what you need. Right from the start, these leggings impress with their fabric. Made from a luxurious blend of 81% nylon and 19% spandex, the material offers a buttery soft feel that moves with you. The fabric is not only stretchy in all directions but also thick enough to be non-see-through, giving you confidence whether you're working out or wearing them casually. Despite the thicker feel, they remain lightweight and breathable, which is perfect for everything from intense yoga sessions to everyday errands. One of the standout features is the innovative sandwich waistband. This isn't just any waistband. It's a triple-layer design with two outer sculpting fabrics and a high-stretch mesh core in the middle. This combination provides excellent tummy control, smoothing out your waistline and helping to create a flattering hourglass silhouette without feeling restrictive or uncomfortable. The waistband sits high and stays put, so you don't have to keep pulling or adjusting during movement. Speaking of fit, these leggings feature a classic flare cut, reminiscent of bell-bottoms but updated for modern style and functionality. The flared leg opening not only creates beautiful, ballet dancer-like leg lines but also adds a fashionable twist to your workout gear. Whether you're at spin class, a casual coffee date, or even a night out, these leggings transition seamlessly with your lifestyle. They come in two inseam options, 29 inches and 31 inches, which makes it easier to find a length that suits your height and preferred style. The pull-on closure keeps things simple and fuss-free, adding to the overall comfort and ease of wear. These leggings also avoid a front seam, which is a thoughtful design choice. Without that seam, the leggings provide a smooth front appearance, reducing visible lines and enhancing the clean look under tops and dresses. Plus, the stretchy fabric hugs your curves in all the right places, giving you both support and freedom to move naturally. Care is simple as well. The leggings are machine washable, and the fabric is built to hold up well over time, resisting fading and shrinking so they stay looking fresh and new through multiple washes. Overall, the IUGA flare leggings combine premium materials, smart design, and versatile style to offer a product that fits a variety of needs. Whether you're into yoga, running errands, or just want a comfortable yet flattering pair of pants for everyday wear, these leggings deliver on all fronts. If you're looking for flare leggings that keep you supported, comfortable, and stylish, the IUGA flare leggings are a top choice that truly stands out in the crowded leggings market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.